In this video, I'll show you how to compress large video files without losing quality. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can compress your large video files without losing its quality. So go ahead and open your browser, search for v.io. So start compressing a video using this web application by clicking on the compress a video button. And that will redirect you into this section. So go ahead and accept their terms and conditions to continue. Click on that upload a file button and upload your video file that you want to compress using the app. So go ahead and click on that specific file. That will be uploaded into the v.io website. So wait for it to upload to be able to specify and select the quality that you want for the video. As you can see in here, you can set the quality from low to high. You can also select the resolution of the video depending on where you want to upload this video. So go ahead and select the resolution and quality before you compress the video. Go ahead and select from this list. So after you have selected that, go ahead and compress the video by hitting on the compress video button. And once the video is compressed, you can go ahead and download that into your device and upload it on the space where you want to upload it. And that is how you can simply compress large video files without losing its quality. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.